everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wanted to say thank you for supporting my channel. I'm so happy and so glad that I have a lot of friends all around the world, and again, thank you. In this tutorial, we want to make a little cute sheep pouch. It opens like this. You can put whatever you want inside of it, your AirPod or anything else. You can put your hands-free inside of it, and it can be connected to your bags. If you feel that this tutorial is hard to follow for you, you can use this tutorial and make one of these relaxing frocks for yourself. This is for absolute beginners, so if you have no experience in crocheting, you can use this tutorial and click here or here. Now let's go and start crocheting. I want to start with this color. This is the main color of the body and my 3mm hook. First, I want to make slip knot, just like this. One slip knot, insert your hook, and you need 13 chain. This is how we chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now I want to make single crochet inside of the chains. So one single crochet inside the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain. This is the second chain. So one single crochet. Keep making single crochets until you have 12 single crochets and you will get here. Now let's show you again how to make single crochet. As you see, I insert my hook inside of the chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, and pull through 2 loops. Again, inside the chain, pull through 2 loops. Each of these V shapes is one single crochet. Okay, now I'm on the end of the chains. I have 12 single crochets now. I need 2 more single crochets inside of the last chain. So insert your hook inside the same chain, 1 more single crochet, and the other one should be on the other side. I mean here. You see? The other loop of the last chain and make 1 single crochet. Again, I want to make single crochets on the other side of the chains. So keep making single crochets until the end of the round, which is going to be here, and we need 2 more single crochets inside of the first chain, and I will meet you before that. Okay, now I have 24 single crochets, and this is the last stitch I want to make single crochet inside, which is the chain that we made 1 single crochet at the first step. So 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets. So now I have 26 single crochets. This is the first single crochet we made. I want to make 1 slip stitch inside of the first single crochet. So I want to make slip stitch like this. Pull through. This was the round 1. Okay, now I want to chain 1 as 1 single crochet, and I need to mark that because it's going to be the first stitch of round 2. So now I want to make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. So this is the next stitch. 2 single crochets. The chain counts as 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4, 5, 6. Keep making them until the end of the round, and then you will have 26 single crochets. Okay, now I have 26 single crochets on round 2. Just careful about this stitch, you shouldn't make one single crochet instead of it, because now I have 26 single crochets. So one slip stitch inside the chain that we marked, like this. Now again, chain 1, mark it, and just like the round 2, you need to make one single crochet inside of each stitch and make 26 single crochets. This is the round 2. We need to make single crochets, one single crochet inside of each stitch until the round 9. So you need 9 rounds of 26 single crochets. I will meet you after that. Okay, this is the end of the round 9, and now I want to change the color before making the slip stitch. So now we need just the current color. Okay, now I want to insert my hook under the V shape of the chain, like this. Now let's change the color. This is the color I want to use, the second color, and make one slip stitch with the second color, just like that. Now I change the color. Now you need to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and make 4 double crochets inside the same stitch. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, so it means that we need 5 double crochets. 2, this is how I make the double crochet. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. 3, yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 4, yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now I have 5 double crochets. Make this loop bigger, take out your hook. These are the 3 chains. I insert my hook inside of it, insert my hook inside of this loop, make it tight, and pull it through the chain like this. This is one popcorn stitch. Now I want to chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch, and make another popcorn stitch inside the next stitch. So yarn over, skip this one, and insert my hook inside of this stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, 3 double crochets, 4 and 5. Make the loop bigger. You need to find the first double crochet you made and insert your hook under the first V shape that is here, and pull through the V shape. Again, chain 2. You need to make popcorn stitches all around the round 10, and then you will have 13 popcorn stitches. Don't forget to chain 2 after making 1 popcorn stitch. Okay, this is the end of the round 10. Now I have 13 popcorn stitches. There are 2 chains in here. Now I want to make 1 slip stitch inside of these 3 chains. So pull through and pull through again. This is the end of the round 10. Now you can cut the first color. I want to make single crochets on round 11. So chain 1, 1 single crochet between the 2 popcorn stitches, and 1 single crochet on top of the popcorn stitch. Again, 1 single crochet between the 2 popcorn stitches, and 1 single crochet on top of 1 popcorn stitch. Again, between 2 popcorn stitches on top of 1 popcorn stitch. So you need to make the single crochets until you have 26 single crochets and count this chain as 1 single crochet. Okay, now I want to make one slip stitch inside the chain. So one slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and start the round 12. The round 12 should be exactly like the round 10. You need 13 popcorn stitches, which starts from here. You need 4 more double crochets and keep making popcorn stitches until you get here. This is the end of the round 12. After the 2 chains, I need to make one slip stitch like this. And now until here, in the middle of the pouch, you need to make slip stitches. So this was one slip stitch between the 2 popcorn stitches, one slip stitch on top of one popcorn stitch, another slip stitch, and keep making slip stitches like this and like this until here in the middle of the pouch. Okay, this is the middle of the pouch. I want to chain 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I have 30 chains. I want to insert my hook in here, exactly where the chain is, and make one slip stitch. Just like that. Now again we need more slip stitches until the end of the round. Until here. Okay, after finishing this round, you can cut the yarn. Now it's time to crochet the ears. To crochet the ears, you need a 2mm hook and the first color. For making that, I need a magic ring, like this. If you don't know how to make a magic ring and this tutorial is hard for you, you can use the Absolute Beginners tutorial on my channel. So this is a magic ring. I need 6 single crochets inside of the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the tail, and inside of here I want to make one single crochet, and I need to mark it. Now I want to make one increase. So one increase. Again, I need one single crochet and one increase, 1 and 2, and again one single crochet and one increase. Now you should have 9 single crochets. Let's take out the stitch marker. Inside of here, I want to make one single crochet and mark it. Now another single crochet and one increase. So you need to do this 3 times, 2 single crochets and one increase until you have 12 single crochets and get to the end of the round 3. Okay, now I have 12 single crochets on the round 3. Take out the stitch marker, one single crochet and mark it. Now I want to make one single crochet inside of each stitch, which means the round 4 should have 12 single crochets too. So make 12 single crochets for the round 4 and I will meet you there. This is the end of the round 4. I have 12 single crochets just like the round 3. Now I want to take out the stitch marker, I want to make 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. So let's mark the first one. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets and 1 decrease, like this. I just want to take the front loops of the 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Again, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2 and 1 decrease. We should do this 3 times. And again, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2 and 1 decrease in here. Let me take out stitch marker so you can see better. This one should be 1 decrease. Okay, now we have 9 stitches. You need to make 1 single crochet inside each stitch for the next round, and then you will have 9 stitches too, and this is gonna be the last round. Okay, this is the end of the round 6. I want to fold the ear like this and then fold it again like that, and let's insert the hook inside of here and make 1 slip stitch like this. You can make 1 more slip stitch if you need it. I mean like that. Now it looks like 1 ear. Now you can cut the yarn. Please remember you need 2 strings for the end of the ear, so one string and 2 string. This is how we want to connect the ear to the body. So make the second ear and then we want to connect it to the sheep body. Now we want to connect the ears. They should be right there. So now I need those 2 strings. One of them should come out from here. So I use my hook, first one, and the second one should come out from another gap. So they both are here. Now all you need to do is to make knots with these 2 strings. So tie them. Like this. So this is the first ear. Connect the second one in the same way. Okay, the last step is to sew the face. You can sew it in the way that you want. I'm gonna sew the face just like this. It's easy and I think it's beautiful too. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you like my videos and you love crocheting. I upload 2 tutorials every week and you can use them if you like to. See you on the next video.